Hello guys, it's Chris with marketingacm.com and welcome back to another great video. I'm gonna show you today you can work from anywhere around the globe as long as you have a smart device. I'm gonna show you just in a bit how you can do this. Before we go ahead and start this video, if you just landed on my videos on my channel, make sure you go ahead and click the subscribe button because I want you to be part of my channel so you can see every single day videos released just for you, how to make money online for free. Before we go ahead and jump this video as well, I would like to ask you to click my #1 description to see my best #1 recommendation on how you can make passive income online. And with no further ado, let's go ahead and start today's video, guys. The website I'm going to talk to you about today is called testbeds.com. You can get the link below the description, so you can click the link and you're going to bring it to their homepage, which is this one. And pretty much what you will need to do, guys, for there, you're going to become a tester and we're going to test various apps, sites, and so on to find bugs and report them. Yeah, so once you're on this page, I'm going to scroll down and explain a little bit. You can become a tester by registering, clicking this button here. All frequently asked questions, it's here, and you can see an average payment per test pays 20 euros, guys, which is really nice. Available tests so far 1,500, and number of bugs found over 110,000 bugs. You can see that this is a legit site, guys, because huge brands are trusted testbeds.com to assign their work to them, so people tested can come and find bugs for them. So Allianz, Audi, DHL, Evening Standard, Independent, Western Union. If you keep going from here, you can see very big brands here are trusting this site, so you can see it's very legit. Now, when it comes to payment, earn money by telling us your opinion about software. The payments are proportional to the complexity of the task. So what does mean? If you find serious technical bugs, you will earn even more. So when you go ahead and register, guys, make sure you pay attention and effort on what you do. Just don't go ahead and scroll down to find something and submit it, because right next to it must be a critical bug, and if you find that critical or both of them, you're gonna get even more money. And the more critical and difficult things you find, you submit, the value or they have for you as a tester, it goes up, and they can send you on a priority list all the new tests, because they see that you are actually reliable and very good on what you do, and you're gonna get even more money. Instead of 20 euros, you even might getting in the 30, 35, and so on. So when it comes to data privacy, all your personal information that you're gonna submit in order to register is gonna be safely put somewhere on their servers and not gonna be given to third parties, which is always a great thing. And the requirement, all you need is a device which allows you to go online. You are probably using one right now. If you are interested in trying out software and giving us your feedback about it, you have all the qualities that you need to become a testbed. If you decide you want to know more about testing, more happy to help you out. But it's good, so if you have a smart device like a phone, a tablet, or PC, a computer, you can do this from anywhere around the globe. And great thing again, flexible hours. When you're invited to a test, you will see all the deadlines, so you can do this whenever you have some free time. So if they send you something in the morning and you're not able to do it because you are at work or you have something else scheduled, you can do it at your own time when you go home on your break and so on. Yeah. And what else? The last part I wanted to say, there you go. Perhaps you're already familiar with this process of earning money by testing apps at testbeds. Anyone can become a tester. Anyone, that was great, can become a tester and make money testing the latest technologies, whether it's a mobile app, website, games, wearables, appliances, and so on. This is what I want to show you guys today. A website, testbeds.com. You become a tester and you're going to be testing various things for them and submit your feedback. You can do this from all around the globe. Free to join, and you can get paid good money per test. Go ahead, start, send them the submission so you can register as a tester and become a tester, and they will send you on your email that you're gonna put in your submission form all the tests available for you to follow. Now it's a great way, guys. I don't know based on your country how many tests are available for you and how frequent, but you can give it a shot. It's gonna be a good way to make some money, but it's not gonna make you rich overnight. As I tell you, my best recommendation, my #1 recommendation to make money online, passive income, which is #1, free to join. #2, video with proof to show you every single thing you need to do. Proof, guys. Proof is the best thing because you can see that it's working. This is what it took me, and this is what I follow. I tried a lot of things without the proof. It was scams and so on. This one is very important for me. Show you a proof. So free, proof, and passive income to create it. Even when you sleep, money comes in, guys, and it's a great thing. It changed my life. It can change yours. I hope you enjoyed the content of this video. If you did, don't forget to click the thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe button. Start making some money, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.